Hiya folks, I've just been shooting a car show in a monsoon and I'm heading home now. I've got some great pictures, so not a wasted day in the rain for me, so makes a change from yesterday's sunny fashion shoot. Well, I went out this morning with the intention of buying my wife a newspaper, and I realised there was a local car show in my little village, and I thought I'd just bimble around there to see if I can find any owners of cars that would be willing to let me use their car for a fashion shoot. And so I started shooting their cars and chatting them up, and I now got a file of fax full of names and contact details, and lo and behold as well, I found a few interesting people who make great portraits. I've given them my details, but one of the best ones was a beautiful young lady, very classic, gothic-y looking, and I really chatted her up and given her my number. I told her I wasn't a psycho killer, obviously, and I didn't have any dismembered torsos of the girl in her early 20s in my fridge. I only had yogurts and fish fingers, so she might be relieved by that. And I given her my details, so I hope she comes back to me because I would love to do her fashion shoot. I told her I train models, so hopefully she'll be back. Anyway, I'm soaking wet and I'm heading home now, soggy as ever, but great adventures begin on rainy days, I say. So what started out as buying a newspaper is now I've got a book full of owners of vintage and classic cars. So anyway, heading home. I'll just show you the weather just for you to see. That's my windscreen. Look at that. I love it. Love it, love it. All right.